to be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. You are most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. Today, I am taking your models may and might. It's well known that there is no any effect of the number of subject on model, and may is present form and might is past form of may. First of all, I am taking your may. The formula which has been made by me for the use of may, that is PPWPP. PPWPP. It is to be learnt by you. And what are actually full forms of these abbreviations? P for permission, P for possibility, P and PW, W for wish, and next P for prayer, and P for purpose. Again, prayer, possibility, wish, prayer and purpose. I am taking now your examples. Permission, if we give permission, if we seek permission, for example, you may go out of the room. You may play in the playground. May I come in, please? May I come in, sir? It means in taking permission, in giving permission, we have to use may. Second one is possibility. Possibility in present. For example, it may rain today in the evening. My friend may come to have meeting with me today. Means possibility. And wish, in wish, we have to say, may he live long. May he get very good success. It's wish. Next one is prayer. In prayer, may God bless him with a son. May God help him in solving his problem. Actually, it is prayer to God. And the last one, that is purpose. And purpose is in present. We work hard so that we may secure very good marks in the examination. It means the purpose of working hard to secure very good marks in the examination. We eat so that we may live. The purpose of eating, that is to live. So this is the purpose. I think these are 5 points, P, P, W, P, P, and are very clear for you. Now I am taking your might. Actually, might is past tense of may, past form of may. And now permission will be in past, possibility will be in past, purpose will be in past, and past tense of may. It means 4 points. Now the formula, that is PP, PP. First, that is permission in past. For example, the students might play in the playground in the afternoon. Means permission. The students might show their work one day late. It means that is permission. And next one, that is possibility. Possibility in past. It might rain yesterday in the evening. My friend might visit me 2 days before. It means in past. Possibility in past. And next one, that is purpose. Purpose in past. He worked very hard so that he might secure first position in the school. My father made haste so that he might not miss the train, means purpose. Making hurry means not to miss the train. Working hard to secure very good marks, very good position. And might, that is past tense of may. In the reported speech, for example, he said that he might help him. She said that she might go to Agra the day before. Like this, may into might in the reported speech. These two models have been made very clear, and we have to listen again and again this video, watch this video and learn by heart. Dear students, I think you have understood this. Thank you very much.